Welcome back, everyone. This is Thomas Triple T Tai with another new bullish crypto analysis. Let's dig in and take a look at how Bitcoin is doing versus the equities market. Earlier, I tweeted out a couple heat maps. Here's the equities market. When it opened, it was pretty red, and it's still pretty red right now. Tech sector, which is heavily influencing the Bitcoin market, is pretty red. The only green area we see here is the energy sector. And the crypto market. Oh, by the way, this equities heat map is from FinWiz, if you want to look that up. And the heat map for crypto is from CoinMarketCap. And we can see that this heat map is divided into groups. We have stored of value here with BTC, Luna, BCH, etc. And then over here we have smart contracts like Ethereum, BNB, ADA, AVAX, etc. Overall, it's looking pretty red at the start of the day. And this chart is from TradingView on a 30-minute time frame. We have on the upper left corner, we have Bitcoin. Below that, we have the US dollar currency, DXY index. Below that, we have the US government bonds 10-year yield. On the upper right-hand corner, we have the QQQ index filled with tech stocks. Below that, we have the S&P 500 index. That also has a lot of tech stocks in there as well. That's why you see the correlation in the price movements between the two, QQQ and the S&P 500. On the lower right-hand corner, we have the Dow. The yellow dash line, vertical lines here represent when the market opened. So when the market opened, the DXY US dollar index continued to rise, and that has a negative correlation with Bitcoin and the tech sector stocks and indexes. You can see here US dollar rising, Bitcoin dropped. Same thing with the QQQ, that dropped. S&P 500 dropped. And typically also on the US government bond, the 10-year bonds, that when that yield is increasing, that means that a lot of money flow will go into that bond yield area. And it flows out of the tech sector and crypto market. And so that is something to also watch too. It's not a one-to-one negative correlation, but something to keep an eye on. The US dollar index, DXY, does have a higher negative correlation if you look at different time frames, but it's not a perfect negative correlation. And so that's been what's happening since the market opened today. Right now, you see Bitcoin 30-minute candle, the two 30-minute candles on turning whitish or green on your chart. And you can see the dollar index dropping down right here. And then tech sector, same thing. Last two 30-minute candle went bullish right there. The Dow also is going bullish here too. So it turned it down in the morning, and it's turning back up. And keeping an eye on the DXY is really important. I should start doing more charts on the, or better yet, present more charts on the DXY so that we can anticipate prices based on the DXY's movement because they're of the negative correlation. And that's a summary of the equities market and Bitcoin. I hope you found value in this video. And if you did, please smash the like. Hit the notification bell and subscribe if you haven't. See you in the next video later today.